Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi router as an extender. First, understand that repurposing an old router can significantly improve your network's reach, eliminating dead zones. This clever method turns a device you might otherwise discard into a valuable signal booster, allowing for seamless internet access throughout your entire home. It helps you maximize your existing hardware's potential, providing a more robust connection without buying new equipment. Before any configuration, you must perform a factory reset on your second router. This clears any old settings. Next, directly connect your computer to one of its LAN ports with an Ethernet cable. Open your web browser and navigate to the router's default IP address, which is often 192.168.1.1 or similar, to log in. This ensures a clean slate for the upcoming setup process. Inside the router settings, locate and disable the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP server. This is crucial to avoid IP address conflicts. Then, assign the router a static IP address, for example, 192.168.1.250, ensuring it falls within your main network's range, but outside its DHCP pool. Finally, configure its Wi-Fi name and password to exactly match your main network for seamless roaming. Now, physically connect the two routers using an Ethernet cable, plugging it into a LAN port on both devices. Avoid using the WAN port on the secondary router. Place your newly configured extender in a central location, about halfway between your main router and the Wi-Fi dead zones, for best results. Finally, walk around your home and confirm that you now have strong, reliable Wi-Fi coverage everywhere, checking speeds with an online test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.